If your Detroit Series 60 engine is having compression issues, loss of power, or poor fuel economy, these signs may indicate your engine's need for a rebuild. Prevent any further impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get back on the road with a new rebuild kit from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this new in-frame rebuild kit for the Detroit Diesel Series 60. We believe in only using new, high-quality parts in our Detroit Diesel Series 60 rebuild kits. All components are new, meeting OE specifications and tolerances. Manufactured in an ISO 9001 certified facility, this kit is crafted with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting strength and durability, handling the extreme conditions your diesel engine operates in. Extend the life of your Series 60 engine with a new cylinder kit, piston kit, bearing set, and a complete gasket set. Everything you need for a complete rebuild. Zero core charges, zero hassle, sent right to your door or shop. Regain the performance you lost and set up your engine for 1,000,000 more miles with this in-frame rebuild kit. Quality, performance, and power. Backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.